This is parallel parking. We'll draw the road. Cars go this way. That's our car. Cars go this way, the other side of the road. Right. Over here, you've got a car that's parked there. That's car number 1. Over here on the side of the road, you've got a car that's parked here. Number 2. How do you get between them? Can you just drive straight over here like that and park in? Only if the distance is big enough. Only if the distance is big enough. So often the distance is not big enough, so what do? You can only get in there, if it's a smaller distance, by reverse parking, this is called a parallel park. So you drive up here, goink, stop, and then reverse it in like that. Come back and around. Hardest maneuver to do in a car. Some people can never pull it off. All I can do is tell you the sequence and you can practice it. So you drive up right next to the car and you have to be in the right position right from the beginning or you'll never pull it off. So you're about, I don't know, maybe a meter away from the car, pretty much directly opposite to the car. That's the position you've got to get yourself in to do it, the leading car. Now you turn the steering, so you're around about there, about the 1 o'clock position, as we say. And then from there, you just drive backwards, 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 backwards. Keep going straight until you can turn, when you're not going to smash into that corner of the car. Then you turn. You do all your turning with very little movement, and you back in like that. Only way you can learn how to do that is to practice it over and over again. One thing I notice with a lot of people is that they always try to use their mirrors when they're doing that. You need to practice driving your car backwards. That means putting your left hand on the back of the passenger's seat of the car and pulling your head around and looking direct outside the rear vision mirror. That's what you need to do to be able to see what's going on behind you properly with perspective. You need to be prepared to do that and practice that. But it just takes practice. It's the only way you can do it. Okay, parallel parking, the hardest maneuver. If you find you can never parallel park, that's okay. You'll survive. A lot of people just can't do it. And often people will do it, they won't pull it off properly, and then they'll drive out and do it all over again. Okay. Thank you.